If you're missing this dictation feature on your ChatGPT account, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it or restore it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. As you can see, I don't have the dictation feature here. And to restore this, just go to your ChatGPT account, log into your account, and click on your account profile down below. Then go to settings. Under settings, go to general, and under general, come to enable dictation here. You're told use dictation in the chat composer. So if you want this feature, you can see currently it is turned off. Just toggle this on, and by toggling it on, it will be enabled, and now you can see the icon. So if I go and close this window, now I can start using the dictation feature to generate chats in ChatGPT. So that's how you can fix missing dictation feature on your ChatGPT account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.